go. I wake up
Welcome back to another video. Guys, today I will be using some apples, lime, one pineapple, one bell pepper, or maybe two, and I'm gonna go outside for some carrots. But guys, let's go for the carrots outside. I'll add them, and then I'm gonna wash up everything and then get back to you. I've changed the apples to the ones that I had before. I put them into this container. I know I forgot, guys, that I was going to use these ones. So they are the baby Bravo apples, which they are very red. So we're gonna use these. So guys, let's wash up all my ingredients and then get back to you and start the juicing. So guys, let's start by, I'm gonna cut this pineapple in half. So we're gonna just use half of it. And guys, thank you all for always giving me support. I know everybody have a busy schedule just like me. Would you believe me, I just came off work and I'm going to a service, guys, in Mountain Park. I'm saying I want to go there to travel. So let's do it. Pieces so it can go on the shoot. Let's get another bowl and we're gonna just chop them in, and we are gonna open bell pepper in half. We're going to cut around just like this, pull them out, pull out the middle, and we're going to cut this in 4 pieces, and this is going to be super delicious treat. So guys, we're gonna peel our lime. And we don't have to peel our carrots. I've washed them. And we are gonna thick. This part is a bit thick, so I'll slice this in half. Apple of the day keep the doctor away, and guys, I have a new apple core. Hold on. So guys, these are the apple core. This is the large one, medium, and we have a very small one. So these are my new gadgets. And guys, I can tell you, the bell pepper smells so nice. Ooh! The pineapple that I just peel and the bell pepper, and the kitchen smells so nice. So let's try out the new apple core. Wow, this one is nice and strong. Oh, nice. Let's go again and pour them as fast as I can. These are very handy in the kitchen. First time seeing these extra red apple though. I had to buy them because they look different from the rest. As you can see, you see how different they look? They look different. And I still have a different, see? This one is even different. So these are very red. And they're juicy, guys. Look at the juice. It's coming out of them. Ooh. I like my new pourer. It's very sharp. I'm gonna leave one of the apple to do decoration. So guys, we are going to clean up our area. So guys, be on the lookout for and purchase a set of these there, and then they have a little part that you can hook them. So guys, we are going to open the flip gate and we're going to start by popping in sweet peppers. Yep. And we're going to pop lime in. And we're going to turn on our juicer. So guys, we're going to start by popping our apple in. And guys, these apples are so juicy. You see the amount of juice it start to produce already. So guys, I've popped some red bell pepper in, and that combination with the apple is going great. And guess what? Carrots and red bell pepper, they are rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, C, and antioxidant. So guys, they support the eyesight so much. So you can also drink this juice for weight loss. And look at the carrot, guys. It's been squeezed and crushed in my Kuvings Revo830. Very powerful machine. So guys, our mixing bowl is almost full. Almost not there yet. As you can see, the combination looks so rich. How could this not be good for you guys? Try it out. Try it out, guys. Juicing is good for you, especially when it is natural. So guys, now we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. Here we go. Ooh, look at that, guys. We are going to make our second batch, so we're gonna pop some carrot in, and we're gonna put a few bell peppers in. Okay, so we're gonna turn on our juice. Vitamin C in red vegetables like bell pepper, carrot, oranges are rich in beta carotene. The human body transforms beta carotene. The type is vitamin A found in orange and red bell pepper into an active form of vitamin A. Bell peppers are also abundant in antioxidants such as flavonoids, which protect the body from oxidative stress, guys. So big up yourself. If you are doing your juicing, run on over and try some of my juice. And guys, I found out something else. Guess what that is? That bell pepper also detoxifies the body. It is rich in fiber and iron and helps in maintaining a healthy gut and cardiovascular health. So bell pepper, guys, is good to consume. So guys, this combination with the pineapple that helps with inflammation, the bell pepper and the carrot is good for your eyes, are really good. So try it out. And with the lime that I've added to it, that just top it off. And you don't need any sugar for this drink, guys. Trust me. So here we have our mixing bowl is full. And you know what it is? It's the time for us to let our juice out. Guys, let's let out our second batch of juice. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Rich and nice. And guys, we have just one apple leaf, so I'm gonna put it through. Okay guys, I'm around the back picking some of these beautiful peach flowers, the blossom, so I could just use them for decoration. So guys, see Tony holding the limb there to show you how beautiful they look. Oh my God.
Peach blossom. Sorry.
That's all. So guys, here we are. So we're gonna just decorate. Put them around. So we should just throw them here. And just let them flow. Look at that. So now we're gonna pour our juice out. Ooh, that looks lovely. And let's pour in this one. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. So guys, let's pop our straw in. I think I should pour a little bit more juice in that one. And remember the apple that I cored? I just put them like a little wheel. Yes, guys. Let's see if I can stick them in here. Oh, that looks good. Let's try and get the other one in. Wow. Guys, look at that. And I'm tempted now to taste the apple. It's sweet, guys. And I'm tempted to taste the juice. Just a little. Guys, trust me, you want to make this. This is refreshing. Refreshing. You can taste the carrot, the pineapple. Oh my goodness. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you all for watching. Stay healthy. Love you all, and I read all the comments. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend.